Hello everyone, Happy New Year and welcome to Glam Shop. My name is Jennifer Osarinkoy.
And I am Hashim Style Buff, and we're live at Kinabuti store on Adeyemi Lawson in Ikoyi.
On today's episode of Glam Shop, we give you a burst of all things glamorous.
Of course, and we will be looking at street style hits and misses, and how you ladies can get that perfect romantic curls, and a lot more. What's romantic about curls?
You'll find out soon. But first off, let's start with how I got a 24 karat gold facial, courtesy of our friends at the facial bar. Yes, this facial was done with pure gold.
Really?
I'm that special.
I can't wait to see that.
Yes, I am.
We'll be right back.
Today we're offering a gold facial, which is a 24 karat gold treatment. It's inclusive of a deep pore cleansing. It's all natural. It's a nature therapy treatment. The 24 karat gold, as part of this treatment, is to blend and brighten up her skin, because we see that the skin has a lot of scars. And over time, if she's very consistent, the scars start to blend in without using any sort of chemicals or any sort of side effects on the skin. Right now she's applying the gold treatment on the skin. That's the first part of the treatment. It's a polish. That's after cleansing of the face with a cleansing milk and a face wash.
Oh my God, that felt amazing. My skin felt so lush after that. Thanks again to our friends at the facial bar. So we're going on a quick break and we'll be right back.
Glam Shop will be back after this message.
Welcome back. If you're just tuning in, where have you been?
I know, right? But you're just in time for my favorite part, Fashion Fix. Hi, and welcome to Fashion Fix, your one-stop shop for the latest trends, fashion moments, and red carpet moments. We're shooting at La Cabana on Etimeyang, Victoria Island. On today's edition of Fashion Fix, I have the fabulous creative director of Hush by Sade. Hello, darling.
Hi, Jennifer.
You look lovely.
Oh, thank you.
What are you wearing?
Well, I'm wearing Elegante by Tiana Styling, and on my feet, I'm wearing Vanessa Wood.
Can you see how she lit up when she was talking about the shoes? It's always about the shoes.
I know.
On today's edition of Fashion Fix, we'll be talking about one of my favorite trends for 2016, which is the peplum trousers. What's your take on this trend?
The peplum trousers is a very, very, very flattering piece. It embraces almost all figures, unless you're on a particularly big side. You're good to go. It's very, very, very stunning.
Definitely. So our first look for this trend, it's a very casual interpretation of the trend. I particularly like it because it's crepe, it's flowy, it's easy breezy, and it's by Siciano. What do you think?
Nobody does drapey like Siciano. It's very, very, very nice. And he paid lots of attention to details. And you can see how the bottom part is like really big. So it will hide flaws in your feet, your legs, your calves, everything. It's just beautiful.
And I love the styling of this outfit because of the embellished top by Kina Booty and the wristband. Very trendy, very youthful, very young, very fresh.
Yeah.
And the second look is a monochrome version, more of an evening wear interpretation of this trend. The tops by Kina Booty and the peplum trousers by Asosa. What do you think of this interpretation?
I love it. I like how it's more contained. It's less drapey, and it folds on one side, which is just perfect for.
I think this version of the trend is more flattering for people who have more of an hourglass figure. So you still want to show the beauty of your lower silhouette without the peplum necessarily covering it all up.
True, and it accentuates your hips, and it's just
perfect.
Stunned.
So yes, we've literally shown you how to take this trend from day wear to evening wear.
And that was Fashion Fix. I'm glad that I got my fix. Stay tuned, we got more coming up.
GLAM SHOP will be back after this message.
So, I know it's not quite Valentine's yet, but I feel a bit romantic.
I'm sorry, love, I can't help you there, but this beauty DIY is perfect for you. Let's join Victor live as he shows us how to get those perfect romantic curls.
Hi, my name is Victor Life, also known as Lifey, and I'm your hairstylist with a touch of life. Today I'm going to show you how to wear a wig with a romance curls. Now, first of all, you need to know how to install the wig cap. Okay? When you install the wig cap, it's either you have your hair braided on cornrows, or as it is with my model here, she didn't braid her hair, but her hair is just natural. But I had to use the wig cap to bring down her hair so the wig can look flat. Okay, now that we have the wig cap on my model's head, I'll just go ahead to put the wig on her. Okay. All right, thank you. Another thing you need to know the size, the shape of your face. Now, my model has a round shaped face. When you have a round shaped face, it's good you do styles that will give it an oval look on your face. The oval face is the best shape of face. So I'm going to install this hair on her, and I'm just going to try which one suits her best. Okay, I'm trying the center part. The center part doesn't suit her well, so I'm just going to shift it to the side. Okay. All right. This is a paddle brush. I'm just going to brush the hair down just to make sure the rough edges are in place. And make sure the pattern is straight. I'm just going to comb the hair through and use the flat iron to just make sure the hair is flat and smooth enough. So we take the hair into sections, comb it through and make sure the hair is tangle free. And while you're bringing down your straightener, you bend the hair over on the straightener. Now when you curl the hair with the straightener, it gives you the blow dry effect. Some people do not know how to blow dry their hair with a brush, but when you use the flat iron to form the curls, it gives you that blow dry effect. You might just want to continue and take it from the right to the left bow. I prefer doing this side first, then coming to this other side. And you make sure the heat of the flat iron is not too much, because these are weave-on extensions and too much heat might not be good for the weave-on. And now that I've been able to use the flat iron to get the curls, you might just want to rock the hair like this. It's lovely like this, very good. But there's something Touch of Life usually do. I use my hair brush. This is the powdered brush and this is the tail comb. I use the paddle brush. Okay, first off, just make sure the hair is in place. Just use the tail comb to comb through. Make sure the crown is in place, it's not standing. Just use the tail comb. Then you use a paddle brush. First of all, just use your fingers to stroke through the hair. Roll it round. And you roll it round. And that is it. It's beautiful, it's classy, it's edgy. Same method applies to this one at the back. Oh, this is nice. This is beautiful. I love this. You like it?
Yeah.
Then you come to this side as well. Then you have a remaining section at the back. You take it to this side. You can just use the tail comb to make sure no part is standing, no part is flying. Just use your hands to bring it forward a bit. She has a round face, take note. So when you do this, you're trying to minimize the round face. And just to give it that oval look. Raise the hair up just to give it a flick at the top. And this is it. This is lovely. This is so lovely.
Welcome back, guys. So next up, we have our fashion feature. Now, this is where we take a look at the industry's movers and shakers. Let's call it that.
The up
People,
and comers.
well, up and comers and legends. We might have a few legends.
Yeah.
So yes, but yeah, we take a look and see how people are making a positive impact on the industry.
Okay, hi, my name is Teresa Onuka. I'm the creative director for the Needlepoint shop. The name of the brand is Needlepoint. Needlepoint specializes in African ready-to-wear pieces for women. Our clients vary from, we have a wide range of clients from as young as 13 to as old as 70. The Needlepoint woman, which is what we've coined from way back, is a woman who knows herself, she's confident. The needlepoint woman is someone who doesn't have to over impress because she looks and feels very comfortable in her own skin. So that's the needlepoint woman. Our pieces tend to be very classic, timeless, easy pieces that can be easily worn. My dream was for every woman to open her wardrobe and just pull out a needlepoint piece and team it up with pants, shorts, anything, you know, basically. So that's where we are. Needlepoint is different from what's out there in terms of our embellishment. The way we do our embellishment is quite different. We have clients in the beginning when we were not known. I always used to think what made us different. But as we've grown over the years, even our clients come and tell us, oh, I saw so and so wearing this, and I know it was a needlepoint piece. So the way we embellish our pieces is quite unique to us. The way we choose our fabrics, everything about us is quite unique to us. So that clearly stands us out from everybody else. We're inspired by the African print, which is the Ankara, which tends to be the predominant fabric in every piece we make. The Ankara is such a vibrant fabric. It's cotton. We live in Nigeria, it's hot, you know, so it's very easy, breathable fabric. Then the colors, the patterns. So first and foremost, we're inspired by the fabrics we use, the patterns. Then on the creative side, things we see, things I like personally. And then there's a lot of prayer that goes into it as well. So there's a spiritual side as well. Needlepoint in the next few years, watch the space. We're growing and growing. In 2014, we launched our commensurate brand, Needlepoint Exchange, which collaborates with other brands while staying true to the Needlepoint brand DNA. So we're growing. There's lots to come. There's so many opportunities out there, and we intend to seize them.
That was amazing. Like, it's so amazing to see what people are doing in the industry.
Yes.
I'm very proud.
Me too.
Proudly Nigerian.
Me too. Now, time for my own favorite segment of the show.
Haters.
Hit or miss. Who's hitting and who's missing? Let's check it out.
Well, next up, we'll be looking at some trends from our red carpet. We'll be starting off with this sexy red dress by Tracy Nwampa. It's by Ilare Clothing. It's very form-fitting. I think it's gorgeous because it's like, it completely flatters his silhouette. What do you think?
It was lovely. She really brought out the vavavoom in the dress. It was beautiful.
Incidentally, this same dress has been worn by two other fabulous fashionistas, Jania Oshonobo, and I think they call her the queen of Afro hip-hop, Tiwa Savage. What do you think?
I loved it. They all pulled it off, but I think Tanya really slayed it. A bust line was just perfect for that dress. Trust me.
Yeah, I think her body frame is a bit more even toned, so that makes it look like it's a lot more flattering with her. But I think young mommy Tiwa Savage kind of did it for me as well. Like, I love her haircut because it's so sharp. Like, the haircut is really flattering for
Let's
the
focus
outfit.
on the dress here.
No,
Yeah,
it's all about the wholesome styling. The wholesome styling.
Tanya rocked that dress. She rocked
Team
the dress.
So, our second look is from the launch of Yvonne Nwonsu's Vonne flagship store. The first person we'll be looking at is Yvonne Nwonsu herself. I think this look is pretty interesting. It's very 70s inspired.
She was spot on. She totally eats it. As in, she embraced the figure in the trousers, and she was just...
You're sounding like a groupie.
to.
Yes, it was a fabulous
I
hit.
probably am. Loud and proud.
But yes,
hair.
What? Her hair. Oh, because you guys have the same kind of
No,
hair.
her hair is longer. It's more fabulous.
Tom. Groupie. But yes, it was a fabulous outfit. I think her wearing bootleg trousers shows, you know, she's very fashion forward because bootlegs is actually a trend for 2016. And her body's banging. She got away with it. It's definitely a hit from us.
Yep.
So the second person, again, is from the Vonne Couture. No, it's not Couture, it's just Vonne now. It's a diffusion line, I think. So Vonne's flagship store launch, which is, I think this person is Zedai, a celebrity stylist. What do you think of this look?
Well, for me, I don't particularly like it. I think she missed it.
She was wearing... Stylist yabbing another stylist.
No, I'm not.
It didn't happen here.
She was wearing a pair of trousers, and I think they were sitting a little bit too low for the fact, considering the fact that she was wearing crop tops.
Her tummy's pretty hot. That's why she's doing it.
It doesn't sit right. It makes it look like her upper body is too long, as in comparison with her lower body. I'm sorry.
The only thing I don't like in that outfit is the head tie bandana-ish all day to the 90s.
That's not even my problem. It's a trousers.
Not my thing.
It's
So,
trousers.
a miss?
Yeah, for me.
Sorry, Zed, I really do love you, but no.
I love you.
So, our next look is by beauty queen turned rapper turned so many other things. At the same event for Vonne, what do you think of this look?
Well, I think if she had lost the jacket or something, if she lost the jacket, she would have been perfect. But the jacket was just a little bit too big. Sorry, baby, you missed it.
In my opinion, it's not just the jackets. I think it's the shorts and the crop top, and then I know your body is banging, but like it was just a bit much. I think if she had actually paired even though the jacket's big, I think the jacket's cool. But if she had actually paired the jacket with like a nice fully covered top, and maybe the shorts were a bit longer.
I don't have a problem with that. I have a problem with just the jacket.
Of course.
She was looking very toned. It was showing off her fabulous legs. Come on, don't hate.
Well, so what do you think? Hit or miss?
Miss, sorry.
Miss for me as well. I'm very sorry.
That's all we can take for hits or miss. Join us same time next week on the show. We have to go now. Yes, unfortunately. But remember, check us out on social media. Follow us. Let us know what you think. Let us know what we should look out for. What your contributions are. They are very welcome.
What trends you want us to talk about?
Yeah. Still will come your way same time next week. Keep it locked.
Bye, guys.